Are you ready to renew, reset, restore, refresh, revitalize and rejuvenate your body inside and out? It was 140 years ago when Albert Einstein said the future medicine will be the medicine of frequencies. Look at Diana, she was one of the first to try the product or test the product out for the last few months. Look at the improvement. I can reveal that one of the many frequencies of the Renew patch is glutathione. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that's made in the body's cells and may help with reduction of oxidative stress. The Renew patch can be used on any place where you may have any form of discomfort or anywhere where you might like to see an improvement. I was the first one to test the products in Australia. I have been using them for a couple of months, and this is the first time I've been able to run in many years. Renew is available in Australia right now. Get back to the person who sent you this video.